Hello, we are here at HP Imagine 2024. I am Ben Bajarin with Creative Strategies, and I'm joined by Jim Nottingham, SVP and Division President of the Advanced Technologies Lab, to talk about some of the hardware investments that you guys are doing around AI. So maybe just start by making sure everybody understands, like, the Z systems are dedicated hardware for AI creation. The whole bundle of that product is really dedicated to AI. So maybe just go into a little bit about the Z platform.
Yeah. So our Z by HP is our workstation category, workstation products, which are very high performance, purpose-built PCs. And it's a great platform that gives excellent price performance to the traditional high-end workflows in engineering, architecture, media entertainment, game development. And obviously with AI, a lot of AI development starts on a workstation, even before it scales to the data center or the cloud. And it's a super important category because it offers really a unique value prop of price performance for doing a lot of the model creation. I think our focus is even beyond that, which is we're enabling companies to both create AI, create the models, fine-tune the models, and also create with AI with more of the advanced professional AI workloads. It's a great platform for that.
I think the most important part about having dedicated hardware for that space is it's custom built, right? You're thinking about everything from the underlying compute to the software. So maybe just go into a little bit about some of those technology bets that you're making to, one, make sure that those platforms are the best for AI creation, and then also maybe what industry segments you think will benefit from this hardware the most.
Yeah, great question. So our focus is obviously innovating in hardware. We want awesome platforms. We love to think that our workstations are the star of the show. Our customers love the products. But we spend a lot of time with customers. Innovation, there's only one vote that counts, and that's the customer. So we spend a tremendous amount of time with customers to understand the jobs to be done, and more importantly, the workflows that they use to do that. What we're learning is, a lot about pain points, unmet needs, things that could be better. But also we're learning that as much as our customers love our products, they need a lot more than a product with the best specs. What they need are solutions that are going to streamline their workflows, enable them to be more productive, more collaborative, at the end of the day, more successful. And they need to do that for two reasons. One, because they want to accelerate their business outcomes, but they also want to get more iterations on that high performance compute that we're delivering. So to deliver that, we've got to really focus on solutions that streamline those workflows, and that's where we're investing.
And it seems like you're taking a leadership sort of position, right, in trying to build this hardware. So without going into like too many details about how you think about underlying compute, CPU, GPU, memory, etc., maybe just talk kind of philosophically on whether it's the R&D approach or like everything that you're doing, right, from an advanced technology evaluation or analysis to make sure that this hardware is always the best for AI creators.
Yeah. So it absolutely always starts with the customer. Like, if you're going to innovate, it's not innovative until the customer says, wow, this is meaningful and it's really helping me be more successful. So we start there, and we're absolutely investing in the hardware, because to be in the conversation about the workflow, you got to have the base, the platform that has a real value prop to the customer. So we're absolutely investing in how do we do things in the workstation without breaking that ecosystem. We don't want to come up with this, great new workstation invention that requires all the ISVs to do something completely different. But there are a lot of areas that we can innovate. You're going to hear a lot more about the innovation coming, because we're spending time with customers. We're getting a feel for how we can actually optimize or tune the hardware to make those solutions light up in a really meaningful way for the customers.
Yeah, I think having that customer-centric approach, even talking to developers, is so important when you think about what you're doing with technology, because it feels like the software is moving so fast, and the hardware is trying to keep up, but having that pulse make sure that your roadmap aligns with their needs, solves their problems, like you said. So I think it's a great time to be focusing on that with a hardware product.
Absolutely, and with AI is a huge trend. It actually amplifies all the other trends we see: explosion of data, complexity of workflows, pressure to get your outcomes faster, and security, right? Security gets a whole new dimension with AI. And so, for sure, AI creating with AI, big deal. But you look at our traditional segments, people that use this, they're also using AI. also enabling them to better streamline the traditional workflows that now have AI. It's a big opportunity for us to unlock new value for customers.
Yeah, well, this is an exciting space. I'm looking forward to see how it develops, and then again, what you have next year, because this come a long way from last year. So
Yeah.
thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me.